Welcome to Sketching with Gretchen. This lesson is for my kindergarten through 7th graders, but again, anyone can give this a try. This lesson is inspired by sculptor and artist Andy Goldsworthy. He was a British sculptor who worked mainly in environmental installments, which means most of his artwork was created out in nature. So he would take pictures of his displays so that they would last. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to create your own Andy Goldsworthy art, and you're just going to need to take a walk in your backyard or in your neighborhood and find objects that you can use. Some of the objects that I'll be looking for are sticks and stones and leaves, petals, whatever you can use to create a piece of art. So I'm gonna go collect those right now with the help of my dog, Ellie, and we will get to work. What'd you find, Ellie? Ellie found a rock. Hey, Ellie, should we go find, Ellie, should we go find some sticks? Where's your sticks, Ellie? Let's go find some sticks. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Ellie. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You can't have my stick. I need that, Ellie. Come back. Nope. Nope, that's mine. Nope, that's mine. Ellie, you can't have my sticks. You can't have my sticks. No, you can't have them. Nope, it's mine. No. No. No, Ellie. No! No! Those are mine. Okay, now we need some stones. Pebbles. I can find some of those over here. Some people call these weeds. I call them flowers. No, don't eat that. Stop. No. What do you have? Is that one of mine? Hey. Okay, here's some more flowers. Now, please don't go picking your neighbor's or your mom's flowers that she has planted in her yard. That is, of course, unless she gives you permission. All these flowers I'm picking are wild. And I did not buy them at the store. You better not touch my sticks. Okay, so these are lily of the valley. And when they bloom, they actually have little white, they haven't bloomed yet. When they bloom, they look like little bells, little white bells. They're perennials, which means they come up same time every year, over and over again. And you don't have to replant them. They pop up and they bloom, and then after a few weeks, they die back. They're just in the spring. Ellie, get out. Okay. So there's so many of these that I'm just going to pick a couple of these leaves. It's not going to make a big difference, but again, ask permission before you pick. These are mine, so I give myself permission. I'm just going to take a few of them. And then while I'm here, I don't know what these are called, but these are also a perennial, so they come up every year. And I'm going to use some of these as well, because there's a lot of them. Don't take that. What? No! Oh. So what I'm going to do now before Ellie takes on my sticks is arrange them in some kind of pattern or design that I think looks good. Have to find a balance between everything. Maybe pay attention to colors. May want to take some of these stems off of these so that they lay flat. Okay, so this is my finished piece of Andy Goldsworthy inspired natural art. We'll see how long this lasts, especially with this creature in my backyard. Now, whatever you borrow from your yard, if they're rocks and they're in your mulch, or if you're doing this in your grass, just make sure that you put back what doesn't actually get blown away or washed away. Make sure you put your rocks back where you found them, and maybe you put your sticks in your fire pit. But there you go. So leave it a couple days for people to enjoy. Make sure your dog doesn't eat your sticks or your rocks, and have a good day. We'll see ya. Ellie, are you ready to draw? Ready to draw? Hey Ellie, ready to draw? Let's go.